Howdy, Veggie Rangers. Eco Tom here. Imagine a little seed, tucked away in the ground. It's like a sleeping baby plant inside its bed. Soon, it's time for the seed to wake up and start growing. This amazing process is called germination, and it's super important for growing plants, like the ones that give us yummy food. Here's how a seed grows, step by step. Drink up. The seed drinks water like a thirsty sponge. This makes it swell up and break open its outer coat, kind of like a shell. This helps the little plant inside start to get ready to grow. Wakey-wakey. Inside the seed, tiny helpers called enzymes start to work. They help the seed use the food stored inside to get energy to grow. Think of it like a little snack bag for the baby plant. Rooting for growth. The very first part to pop out is a tiny root called the radicle. This root grows down into the soil to grab water and food. It also helps anchor the plant, like a little anchor for a boat. Reach for the sun. Next, a little shoot grows upwards, reaching for the sunlight. This shoot has tiny leaves, called cotyledons, that give the baby plant food until it can make its own. Hello, leaves. Finally, the plant grows its real leaves. These leaves are super important because they help the plant make its own food from sunlight, water, and air. This process is called photosynthesis. From just a tiny seed, a whole plant is born, growing strong with sunlight, water, and care. This amazing journey shows how life begins small but can grow into something big and beautiful. So next time you see a plant, remember, every flower, tree, and vegetable started with one little seed.